Did you know that some of the oldest living trees on Earth might be trying to tell us something? In 2022, researchers studying California's ancient bristlecone pines captured something that still gives them chills. These trees have been alive for nearly 5,000 years, standing silent in the Inyo National Forest. But during overnight monitoring sessions, scientists recorded unexplained vocal sounds coming from the ancient groves. The audio patterns were so disturbing that certain sections now require special permits for extended research. What secrets do these ancient witnesses hold?